So if you are one amongst those people who likes to sit there and come up with reasons, I'm just going to say stop giving excuses. It doesn't matter. If you really want to move ahead in your life, stop giving excuses. You've got to stop giving excuses. And you've got to take action. If your challenge is you want to quit, then quit. And if your real love is you want to try this out, then try this out in your language. But don't come up with the whole thing that I went into a couple of seminars and I've figured out what I want to do, but I've done nothing about it. Well, hell, not just you, most of you have done nothing about it. And my fight is not with you not doing anything about it. My fight with you is what is the story you are telling yourself? Sit there and say that, yes, Rohini, I've done nothing about it, and then I'll say kudos. Or sit there and say that I'm willing to do something about it, and then I will say kudos. But nobody has ever been successful unless they've done something about it. Nobody. Absolutely nobody. So if you are one amongst those people who likes to sit there and come up with reasons, I'm just going to say stop giving excuses. It doesn't matter. But if you really want to change something, if you really want to shift something, if you really want to find something different, what is it? What is stopping you? What is your limiting beliefs? What is it that needs to take you to the next level? What is it? And I'm just very curious as to what is the extraordinary you, because this is not and that is not. I'm sorry, it's not. You have challenges, I completely respect that, but that's not extraordinary. What is the extraordinary that you want to be? Where do you want to head? What is it that you want to find? And what is stopping you? What is that one decision that is stopping you from moving in the direction that you're supposed to move? What is that? A lot of you all come and keep looking for solutions. And I say solutions are of no use if you don't even know what the problem is. Not one of you know what your problem is. And you all are sitting there and saying, Rohini, give me the solution. I'm going to say, go home. Because Rohini I'm not going to give you solutions. Nobody gave it to me. I'm going to give you a system, but not a solution.
I've put together this exclusive checklist of how you can be a part of the system, and I'm going to give that away to you because I want you to impact the world and I want you to gain that financial freedom which you absolutely deserve. If you are someone who wants to know more, then click on the link below and register for this upcoming webinar, because trust me, the world needs you today more than it's ever needed you. So let's turn your dreams into reality and let's talk about how you can launch yourself in this industry as an extraordinary coach.